Didn't see you there. Hi! Welcome back to my channel, Life of Colors. Today is the 26th of January, so it's the 26th day of my vlogging for a whole year. Yippee! And now I'm doing a handstand, so probably I should be going down. Ugh. Did you like my new trick? I learned it yesterday. I mean, I'm still not able to do a handstand on my own, but I can do that by the door. So it's still a success, since it's been like 2 years since I last did a handstand. Even it was supported by the wall, it was still a handstand, and I didn't do it for almost 2 years because randomly I started being afraid of it. So, another success. And I hope that today you also learn something new. And also I'm going to change my setup. So, yeah. So I changed my setup, and I also took a shower. I'm in my pajamas now. I have my hair freshly washed and slightly dried. It's still a bit damp in some places, but it's mostly dried, and I have my French pin up slightly, it's not correctly, but it is. So yeah. Also, it changing my setup took some time because when I was recording the first half, it was, I don't know, 10 p.m. Right now it's 12:30. Took some time, didn't it? But so the video probably will be a bit quieter, less chaotic, and also a bit short, I think so. I will be just talking about my day while repairing my headband, because one day it broke, so I will try to repair it. I don't promise anything, but yeah. So I have my glue gun here, and I have to plug it in, and I also have a glue stick. It's kind of sad that it doesn't have a little light, so I don't know if it's turned on, but it's getting warm. It's getting warm really fast. That's weird. I hope that's the correct stick, because I have two kinds from my previous glue gun and the current one, and the previous one had used a bit thinner glue sticks, so they don't fit in this one. So yeah. Also, I don't remember how it broke, but at first it's just broke, the plastic broke, and later the ribbon just started parting itself. It's parting itself all the way. So I'm thinking, which is quite surprising, taking into account what time it is, but I actually don't know. I forgot what I was about to say. I forgot the whole plot. Anyways, my dad my day was good. I just like chilled in my room for most of the day. My mom did oat and apple cookies. They were so delicious. I ate like half a tray of them. She also made bread from cottage cheese. It was also great. I ate some. And yeah, I ate dinner, I ate lunch. I made myself a bit of porridge, which wasn't really that good. But oh well, I still have a lot of time. There's always time for good porridge. Oh, I think the glue is hot enough, but like it's getting pushed into the gun. I hope the glue won't like destroy it. But yeah, overall the whole day was okay. I dressed up a bit. I did my makeup at 3 p.m. but I had fun anyway. So yeah, I recorded some TikToks of my outfit, and I'm planning to dress up a bit tomorrow too. Oh, I remember what I was thinking. I was thinking of getting like a bit of fabric. I don't know if it will work, but I will try. Like a really small piece of fabric and just glue it onto the plastic. So maybe it will hold it a bit better. I don't have like high hopes, but maybe that will slightly help. Yeah, and probably tomorrow I will also make some TikToks if I will be dressing up. And yeah, that's just how my whole day went. I hope your day was more awesome than mine. And yeah. I'm running out of topics. It was supposed to be like a silly vlog today, but because of the fact what time it is right now, I just decided to keep the intro, but maybe like put the idea of like more of a silly vlog for later when it's actually a good time for that and it's not like middle of the night. Maybe not middle, but when it's not night, or when it's the time when my mom is still not asleep, so I will not annoy her. You know what I mean. If you don't, then you should start getting what I mean. At least try to understand it, because even though my mom sometimes has like trouble hearing right at this point, I still feel bad if I was doing like others do, like when they literally play games, video games, and chat with someone on a call, and they literally scream into the microphones, and like when they're so loud, I don't I can't even I'm even anxious when I'm listening to music on my headphones and I have full volume, and when you have the maximum volume, sometimes you can still slightly hear the music. You know what I mean? So I'm even anxious about that. I can't. I'm scared that I will disturb my mom, and I can't imagine myself like chatting with someone on a video call, especially screaming. Like, no, have some respect for others. I mean, if your parents don't mind it, then do that, but I just feel bad when I would have to do that. Like, not for me. Um I feel bad about most things, so that's quite normal for me at this point. It's just the way that I am, and I fixed it. It's still slightly warm, so I will leave it for a bit. And yeah, probably I will go to sleep soon. So yeah. I hope you ate something. I hope the food you ate was delicious, is or will be delicious. Keep being positive. Learn new things every chance you get, and I will see you in the next video.